Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to create a web portfolio using the JS framework, namely Tailwindcss. What is Tailwindcss? Tailwindcss is a JS framework using first utility first JS framework package with classes like flex. You just call classes like flex. Uh, this is display flex, and dash 4 is a padding top and other. So let's go to installation stage. This intelligence framework, we can do using three ways. First, we can using play CDN. We in play CDN we just write write the script in HTML, your HTML project, and you you can customize in script tag, and you can to use. This is simple installation, but this is not recommend to to your project. First, uh, for big project is not recommend. So I will to use using PostGSS. Okay. Okay. First, you can to create a folder to your project. Namely, JSS. My portfolio. In there, you can open your favorite terminal, and you can write it in here. LVM uh, that's the LVM.js post.js auto fixer. Enter. Wait to complete this installation. Oh, wait. Okay, this installation is complete, and then next npx main css init is the add file tailwindconfig.js, and then you open code editor, your favorite code editor. In, my video is using Visual Studio Code, and you just call by write code space dot in your terminal to open your code editor. Specifically is uh, Visual Studio Code, and here you write let me see this plugin uh, in model export. We just copy and paste all this. Post-CSS config. Post-CSS config. It's not fun, guys. Then you create a file first. CSS.config.js, and then you copy all this script in your file and save as. Okay, back to your Tailwind config picture. Yes, and you copy and paste that in here. Save. Okay, next you create a main.css. Main.css and paste it. Next, open your terminal. Before you create index.html first. In there, okay, and copy and paste in your index.html and let's open your terminal. Its method is called your click control and backtick. Okay, write npm and wait. Okay, again. What this? Okay, so because installation Tailwindcss with using PostCSS is not work, we change installation Tailwindcss with CLI and people's words, and we can to continue our project. Okay, for the Tailwind config.js is done, and then you create src for file input.css and and main.css. We press and save, and main.css is deleted and processes to delete it because we not okay. In index.html is copy and all delete and paste save in tell with the css src in src in content you can delete and write index.html because we just need index.html to build our project, and then copy to build process with CSS in your terminal. Okay. Uh, then automatically folder list to add your project folder, and then be running. Open with your live server. This is working. We test again with Xcolor at 500, and then boom, uh, installation Tailwindcss in your project is done. Okay, thank you.